I see an iceberg. There's soldier in there. I think. Just stop roll or down. Okay, Frau holds it down. Oops, I hear something. No? Why? It's the Matilda. Okay, first. Oh, let me draw this. Okay, we need to prepare to the seriously prepare to the birthday. Yes. Oh, I have an idea. Come with me. Hey, I too. Me too. Me 3. Me 4. Me 5. Me 6. Okay, other 10. Me 7. Oops, I clicked a red box. Alright. Me one of Mattis irritants. A pig. A chef pig. What the fuck is that? It's Uno. What is Uno? Is it Uno is an operated cards. In the past of the games as cards games. And its favorites as salt players. You would have it. You have to call the birds to play this game. Alright. Hey, what are you doing? Okay, you're the guest. Alright, I draw and now let me insert is the plan since the card. More tracks is moving on and then I'm not gonna hard first. Why? Because this took over all the hat for me. Okay. CS it's the turbo turn. Jared the red bird. This is ball statist. This is ball statist. Yeah. Into airport kiddo. Skibit 10. It hurts spurts. Let's see birds of the war. Let's get the me water on the bird island. Okay, well, I posted. What the fuck is that? This is water. What was that? Here's a falling sky first this guy. Uno. What is Uno? Let me see. Come on! Oh. What the fuck is this? Here, the cards? Let me see. Guys. Echoes, guys. Is that what can I found? What? Wait. Oh no. What What's that? You know. I don't know. I don't know. Me too. I never played this game. And the cards just have a 6. Is it 6? I don't know. Once it does not have a done. Oh. I don't know what is this game. Okay. Let's try this. Aha! Try to call the this, huh? With what is the Pearl Hall? The cards is really this thing here. Okay, let me choose. Let me choose this. 7. And turn on under. And what for so sorry? What the? What did I teleport here? What did I teleport here? What? Oh, this is the magic Uno, I think. This is first. Can I keep the flowers? Let me choose this. Nothing. Let me choose the 9. Nothing and 9. Let's start. Oh! This really magic is. Yes. Use it to every party. Okay, let me choose it. It's a critical card. Oh, the blast. Ah! What the? The blocks are falling again? This is the really Uno magic? Yes, really? Let me try this one. 6. And this. Move her all like here. They got 2 cards. But what the fuck? Oh man, this is stranger. I never heard this before. Let me choose this. So many number. Let me 0. Oh, 88769. That's really is the game. Okay, let's talk her another. Alright, Chuck and Iceberg, come here. My turn. This time is the 5. Yeah, me 5. This is get a card. Alright, let's get it found. Alright, let me try. No, I try. Fine, go try. Let me see. 7. And let me see this. 4. Take her help. Okay. Let me see another card. Nothing. Oh! Stop water. 3. Okay, let me try this one. This game's with rage. 1. Let me try. 2. Okay. And my first this. 1, 2. And for a 5. Let me try this. 6. And me 1. The toss. Is it pouncing in me? Alright, now how in blues. Alright, I gotta win this. No, I gotta win this. Let me try at this. 2. Let me hit. Ah! Okay, let me try. Have fun. No. 2. Thanos destroyed the king. Ah! Okay, there's some man. Okay, got it, Potter. 3. Okay, here. 2. Now occurs pills. Oh, oops, I take it. Cat. It's a 5. And here. 3. Okay, I think we're done. Oh no, 2 ball. Oh no. Ah. Okay, now that is 0, nothing in the past. Okay, oops, I could have got the card. Okay, what's here? 4. And here, I get it. 1. Okay, nothing, not a ball. And another ball. This is really magic. And now the last players. Matilda and Blonde. What's my turn? And me is the sauce now 7. Alright. Let me try. 4. Right here is a 6. Here on wave 7. Moving 2 cards. What the heck? Is it 2? Is that 2? Okay. Let me try a life. 7. And here is nothing. Okay, pull parts. 9. 9, right? Alright, let me try 5. This one, 8. And this one, 5. This one, 8 again. And this one, ah! The shit. Okay, I'll try. No. And this one. Come on. And now, A. Here. Wait, what? What the? That's actual shit. This is 6 card. Is it more than 14? Okay. Okay, that's really the game is. Oh my god, this game is so awesome. This owner can be firing attack to Salvador every I did a lot of cards. No, right till we have a moving ring back. Oh, come on, you suck. Alright, hit foot. Ah! Did you see that? Uno. Just a crystal. What is actually? I have new plan to catch up this Uno for the night. Okay, one day we have to destroy anything in that jungle. Hey, Kingpin. What? Okay, Uno are the cards here. Oh, Uno cards. What is it? It can turn the magics, and we're watch of the birds. I have a new plan to catch up this Uno and destroy the bots and let the eggs. Wait till the night. Good night. Good night. Did you see that? Look at the birds. Okay, let's catch them. Because let's couldn't move at all. This. Really? You can't see the cards? Really? Stop and let's move her all back. Alright, now let's get out before birds knows us. Alright. Later one day. Guys, you hear Uno? It's right there. Oh no. And what is this beams tested for these steps? The pigs. The pigs is just the poor rabbit haters can't give up. Yes, can't give up. We have to catch up back. Hello, birds. Are you? Why you sleeping? We're a Professor Pig. And Kevin. Huh? We're rule the Uno back. And we are to start with. Alright? Now order this. Yeah. Yeah. Are you really sure you're gonna attack us? Psh. What the? Ah! Ow. Got it. Okay. How did you get that? How do you sleep? Is it taking 8 for that? Oh no. It's can return the magic. Anything you saw. Everybody's attack. Yeah. A card? Yes, sir. Yeah. What? The court is keen the time or the balls. And now let's try another card. That's that. Are you gonna pay everything you got? Move the card now. Okay. What? Now work cards is mine. Now we have the power of everything in the universe. And now let's get to our next. Now, yes. Okay, kids, start. Hey, let me dog get there. Terrace? Haha. His tether hurts. Terrace, can you help us to get a cards owner? Cards owner is a game that he is a magic. Right, see you on the terrace. And now the card is just one. Why the card is just one? How is it? Is the word depends on the card, you know? It's spectacle to the whole. And we use to destroy the world and everything. You're right, King Pig. Uses stuff as stats. And it could everything in the background of the upside. It's its third. And die. Get eyes, hearts, die. And die. Just stop. King Pig. Oh no, it's the birds. Well, the birds is colorful. I don't know what the card is. We're gonna see. Let's see the card. Are you really so sure about that? What? Terrace, slingshot. Oh, real fast. Hurricane fruit. Birds, assemble. Attack! The second offensive card. Otters. Okay, what? Otters. Ah! And now try this. Another card. Right. Okay. Oh no. Use this card. What? Oh no. Oh. Attack this king pig. Now where's the king found? Yeah. Let's find it. Alright, let's go. Alright, finally we have the eggs, and now let's go home. Alright. I can't believe this plan is not work. Yeah, it's not work. But don't worry. One day, tomorrow, we have to blow up the jungle. It's like the shut up! It's jungle. It's jungle, you call it. And now, I can determine the evil plan. It's gonna be in Saturday. And tomorrow, we're gonna blow up the island. And we're gonna, cause I'm not gonna put it on the truck, cause it's not mine. Really, is things gonna work? Yeah, and stop car. Okay, I got it. And now, Shakti, what? Prepare to gonna run tomorrow. We have to blow up the jungle. On the. Is it tomorrow? This Saturday, right? Yes. And now. Okay, ready for the host. Alright. And then turquoise. Anything is our cards. And anything is our top, but put it on your YouTube and be cat. Editor with fans. Okay. And now, let's take selfie. Alright, and the cards. Alright, the camera is the cat. Wait a second. Alright. And now it's done. And now it's just push a crack to get a card. Alright. And now, okay, I got 410 now, and it goes faster than possible. Then is a 10 second. Everyone say, level clear, level clear. behavior views, and then heart any souls under your heartache. Dun, 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 dun. And now the poor are the certificates. That bird will not survive in the net. Continue.